Yes, hello students. Question number 5. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. Okay. What is given? Diagonals are equal. It means AC is equal to BD. Okay. And they bisect each other. It means OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. This bisects each other. Because these two are equal, then these all four will be equal. Then what we can write? OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD. This is clear. And diagonals bisects each other at right angles. Right angles means AOB, BOC, COD and DOA. Then this should be 90 degree each. This, what you have to show? This is a square. For proving the square, what I have to show? This all four sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. Okay. Now see, AOB is equal to COB. It is given to you. So OA equal to OA is equal to OC. This is given. Okay. Angle AOB is equal to angle COB is equal to 90 degree. Okay. This is again in given. Then what is the third thing? Third thing is OB equal to OB, common side. OB equal to OB, common side. Then see, this is your side, this is angle and this is side. Then what we can say, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by SAS rule. Okay, these both are congruent. Then what we can say, AB is equal to CB by CPCT. Similarly, you can show all four sides equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Similarly, you can show this. Now come on. Now we have to show that each angle of this, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is here how much? 90 degree. For that, what to do? I am taking triangle AOB. That I know, no? OA equal to OB, I got it from here. Then, if these two sides are equal, then these two angles should be equal. That is why this is angle X and this is angle X. Okay, because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides. So angle X plus 90, twice of angle X is equal to 180 degree minus 90. Then angle X will be 90 degree upon 2. This is 45. So angle A is here. So I can write OAB. This is your OAB. OAB. OAB plus OAD. Similarly, OAD also 45, no? OAD. So this is 45 plus 45 is what? 90 degree. Angle A will come 90 degree. And here OBA, this is 45 degree plus OBC, this is also 45 degree. This is again 90 degree. So angle A, angle B is 90 degree. Then you can prove angle C and angle D is also 90 degree. Then at last what we can say, ABCD is a square. Hence proved. Yes, come on. On question number 6. Diagonal of a parallelogram ABCD bisects angle A, then show that it bisects angle C also, and then it will be a rhombus. Okay, diagonal of ABCD is one parallelogram, no? Okay, angle A is bisects by this diagonal AC. It means I can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If angle 1 is angle 2 is given to you, but angle 1 is equal to angle 4 by alternate interior angle. Similarly, angle 2 will be equal to by alternate interior angle. Okay, this is equation 1, 2 and 3. What we can say, angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 4. Isn't it? If all these four angles are equal, then I can say angle 1 equal to angle 3. Okay, by this equation star. This is by star. And if AB, these two angles are equal, then I can say AB equal to BC. Okay. Then I can say if this is equal to this, then what is the reason? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay. Similarly, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Then what we can say? AD equal to CD. Again, same reason. This is again by star. Sides opposite to equal are equal. Okay. Now then, if this all fours, it means what? In parallelogram AB equal to CD, opposite sides are equal, and AB equal to CD because ABCD is a parallelogram. Yes, because of ABCD is a parallelogram, then because opposite sides are equal, AB equal to BC is also given, we got it. AD equal to CD we got it, AB equal to CD we got it. With the help of these three equations we can write AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. And watch, it shows in a parallelogram if all four sides are equal, this will be a rhombus. Okay, definitely it will be a rhombus. So this is your answer number 2. Now students are thinking, sir, where is answer number 1? What is our answer? Question, it bisects angle C. Angle C, AC bisects angle C. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, we already proved here. This is your answer number 1, C. This is your answer number 1. I am writing here answer number 1, AC bisects angle C.